Hare Krishna. Hello friends, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing well. This is Ritendra, I am preacher of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, and I am going to talk about 11th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Arjun Uvacha. Arjun asked to Lord Krishna about Lord Krishna's universal form, the entire word form, universal form of Lord Krishna, entire eternity of Lord Krishna, opulence of Lord Krishna, origin of Lord Krishna. Here Arjun asked to Lord Krishna, and Lord Krishna replied. But before I start my lecture, I would like to introduce Srimad Bhagavad Gita. This is Srimad Bhagavad Gita as it is written by Sri Bhaktivedanta Srila Mahaprabhu from ISKCON temple. And I would have to say Srimad Bhagavad Gita is neither religious book nor spiritual book, but in true sense pure book of the science and humanity. And I am trying to propagate a humanity on the basis of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, trying to morally motivate to those people who are actually frustrated and attempted to commit suicide on the basis of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. So let's get into this particular chapter. अर्जुन उवाच प्रश्यामि देवास्तवः देवदेहे सर्वास्तना भूत विशेष संजानः ब्रह्माणमिषि कमलास्तरं मृषि सर्वानु ग्राम दिव्यनाम. Arjun asked to Lord Krishna, my dear Krishna, my dear Vasudeva, my dear Madhusudana, I see assembled your body, all the demigods and various other living entities. I see Brahma sitting on your lotus flower. Lord Brahma. Here Arjun stated, I see Brahma. Here Arjun is narrating entire universal form of Lord Krishna. Here is only Arjuna's narration. About Arjun is narrating the Brahma. Arjun could speculate Brahma on the lotus flower of Lord Sri Hari Vishnu, as well Lord Shiva and also all the sages and divine serpent. Even divine serpent Vasuki Nag is also situated with Lord Krishna in the entire universal form. Even all the planets are moving around Lord Krishna. Here Arjuna further described अनेक बाहुधर वक्त नेत्र पश्यामि तव सर्वतोपि रूपम नात न मध्य न पुनस्तावादि पश्यामि विश्वेश्वर विश्वरूपः. Here Arjuna after speculation of Lord Krishna's Vishwarupa Darshana Madhava Madhusudana Mukunda Murari Kesava. He Kesava Madhusudana Muralidhara, He Muralidhara, Dhara Dhara Madhusudana He Muralidhara. Here after speculation of Lord Sri Hari's, Lord Krishna, Vasudeva, Madhusudan, Mukunda's Vishwarup, Arjuna felt, O universal form, after speculation of your universal form, Madhav Madhusudan, I see in your hand, in your body, many arms. Many arms are there. Means 1,000 of the arms were fragmented in the body of Lord Krishna, and 1,000 of the bellies, 1,000 of the mouth, eyes expanded everywhere. Means everywhere. Means every year your expansion, your universal form has been expanded everywhere without any limit. It's a limitless. It's a entity. Means your entity, your opulence is limitless. I see in you no end, no middle and no beginning. I can speculate there is a no end, there is a no middle and there is a no beginning. किरोटिन गदानि चक्राणि च तेजो राशि सर्वतो दिप्यन्ति पश्यामि तव दिन रिक्षत समन्ताः दीपान लाकन द्वितीयम अप्रामेयम. Here Vasudeva, Krishna, Madhusudan, Mukunda. Here after watching entire form of Lord Krishna, Lord Krishna's form, Arjuna observed. Arjuna means Lord Krishna's universal form was observed by Arjuna, and Arjuna further stated, your form is difficult to see because of its glaring effulgence and spreading all the sides. Because of glaring effulgence, as the 1,000 of the suns burn at the same time, your effulgence, your light is coming out from your body like a blazing of fire. It's a blazing fire. It's a fire. It's a fire. Lord Krishna's body is entire blazing fire. All the fire means too much lights come out from Lord Krishna's body or universal form, and the immeasurable radiance of the sun. Yes, means yet I see this glowing from everywhere, adorned with a various crown, club, and also disease. त्वमक्षरम परम वेदी दित्यम त्वमरसम विश्वस्य परा निधनम त्वमयम्य शाश्वत धर्म गुप्ता सनातनस्य स पुरुषो मतो मे. Here you are the supreme primal objective. You are the ultimate resting place of all this entire universe. You are the here Krishna. Here Arjun described about Lord Krishna's universal form. You are Madhav, Madhusudan, Mukunda, Murari. You are ultimate resting place of this entire universe. You are the ultimate. You are the ultimate place of this entire universe. Entire world is resting in you, Madhav. You are inexhaustible. You are the oldest one. You are the oldest among all, Madhav, Madhusudan. You are the supreme. You are the great, and you are the inexhaustible, and you are the oldest one. You are the maintainer of the eternal religion. You are the maintainer of eternal religion. Eternal religion means Sanatan Dharma. Here Lord Krishna, here Arjuna talk about Sanatan Dharma. Sanatan Dharma is not Hinduism, it's not Muslimism. To see all the people equally under eyesight of the devotee or the person who is following of Sanatan Dharma, he can speculate everything and equally without making any kind of discrimination, on the basis of caste, on the basis of the religion and the personality of Godhead. This is my opinion. Arjuna here gave his opinion. Arjuna here expressed his opinion. Oh Madhav, oh Madhusudan, the supreme primal objective. You are the supreme primal objective. It is very difficult to obtain you, Madhav, but once who has surrendered unto you, Madhav, easily that person can reach to you. And you are the ultimate resting place of all this entire universe. You are inexhaustible. You are the oldest one. You are the maintainer of the eternal religion and the personalities of the Godhead. This is my opinion. This is opinion of Arjuna. Arjuna further stated, you are without origin, middle, and also end. Hey Madhav, hey Krishna. Krishna, Krishna, Adaram, Madhuram, Nayanam, Madhuram, Asitam, Madhuram, Phalitam, Madhuram. You are without origin. Here Arjun describe about Krishna. Hey Madhav, hey Madhusudan, hey Govind. You are the middle. You are limitless. You are without origin. You are without middle, and you are without end. Your end will never happen because you are limitless. Your glory is unlimited. Hey Vasudev, hey Krishna, hey Govind. Your glory is unlimited. You have numberless arm. Madhav, Madhusudan, Mukunda, you are having a numberless arm. And also sun, moon are your eyes. Means sun and moons both are situated in your eyes. And I see you with a blazing fire coming forth from your mouth. Blazing fire coming forth from your mouth. And burning this entire universe by your own radiance. Your effulgence. I can speculate your effulgence. I can speculate your supreme glory. I can speculate your radiance, which burn entire world. This is Madhav, your universal form. So this is your glory, Madhav. And I am thankful to you, Madhav, Madhusudan, because of your mercy, because of your divine eye. With your divine eyes, I can speculate your universal form, Vishwarupa Darshanam. Hey Madhav, hey Madhusudan, Aham Vishwarupa Darshanam Anichanapi. Ichchami, Aham Vishwarupa Darshanam Ichchami. I want to speculate your universal form, Madhav. I would totally surrender unto you, Krishna. Hey Madhav, hey Madhusudan, I would totally surrender unto you. I am only trying to be your devotee, Madhav. Hey Madhusudan, I am trying to be your devotee. Aham Ichchami Vishwarupa Darshana Krishna. Hey Govind. Hey Madhav, hey Madhusudan, hey Mukunda, hey Murari, hey Krishna. Here Arjun further expressed about Lord Krishna's universal form. त्वापि पृथ्वीना दिमंतरहि व्यायाम त्वक्तेन दिशस्व सर्वाः द्रष्टान अद्भुत रूपम गृह तवेद लोकत यत्र प्रवद्धि महात्मानः लोक तत्र य प्रवद्धिति महात्मानः although you are one you spread through the sky and also planet and all the space between. O great one, seeing this wondrous and terrible form, all the planetary systems are perturbed. Entire world is disturbed by seeing your universal form. Nothing is stable because of your universal form. Hey Madhav, aham ichchami takta Vishwarupa darshanam. Hey Madhav, could you please, I would request you, would you please speculate me your entire universal form? Hey Madhav, it's my humble request. And for that, please give me your divya drashtim, divine eyes. अभी त्वरा समृद्धा विश्वंती के चित्रांदि प्रलयो गुणंती है स्वस्ति त्यक्ता महर्षि सिद्धसः स्तुतिवंती ना स्तुतितिभः पुष्क लाभी. Here all the host of demigods are surrendering before you, an entire world unto you Madhav, entire world unto you Madhav, Madhusudan Mukunda. Some of them very much afraid are offering prayer with folded hand. Some of the people are very much afraid and are also folded hand before you. Host of the great sages and perfected beings crying all the peace, means for the peace, crying for all the peace, and all the peace are praying to you by singing a Vedic hymn. Hey Madhava Madhusudana मुरलीधरा है मुरलीधरा धरा धरा मधुसूदना मनमोहना है मुरलीधरा. I would sing a song for Lord Krishna. वृंदावन जाऊंगी सखी वृंदावन जाऊंगी मेरे उठे विरज के धीर मेरे के वृंदावन जाऊंगी. So I also want to go Vrindavan in order to speculate my बांके बिहारी. जय हो बांके बिहारी. रुद्राद्रिव्य वसवोचे साध्य विश्वनो मरुतो प्रोशनम प्रास्व गंधवर्य असुर सिद्धम संयम विसंते ता विस्मति श्रेव सर्वः. Here Krishna, another description about Lord Krishna by Arjuna. All the various manifestations of Lord Shiva, many manifestations of Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva is talking about, Lord Shiva is known as a god of destruction. Here Lord Shiva, various manifestations of Lord Shiva, the Aditya, the Vasus, and also Sadhyas, and also Vishwadasa, and two Asvi, and Marus, and also for further the Gandharvas, and Yakshas and Asuras, and also the perfect demigods are beholding you in wonder. Beholding you in wonder. Here Rupa Mahat Brahu Vakta Netra Mahabaho Bahu Bahur Padam Bahudruram Braushta Kara Karala Drashta Lokaha. Here Drashta Lokaha Pravavistata Tatatam Pravavistata Tatatam. Here, O mighty armed one, all the planets with their demigods are disturbed at seeing your great form. All entire planet with their demigods are disturbed by, means at seeing your great form. With it many faces, eyes and arms, thighs, legs, bellies, and you are means your many terrible teeth. And as they are disturbed, so I am also disturbed. Other people are also disturbed. Even demigod got disturbed because after seeing your universal form, so at the same time I got disturbed. Drushta hi tra pravastitat atmanah dhruti na vidamsa samacha Vishnoho. Here all the pervading Vishnu, seeing you with your many radiant colors touching the sky, your gaping mouth, your great glowing eyes, my mind is perturbed by fear and I can no longer maintain my steadiness or equilibrium of mind. I am unable to maintain my steadiness or equilibrium of my mind. Oh Madhav, oh Krishna, Oh Madhusudan, I am unable to maintain my steadiness or equilibrium of my mind, steady mind. I am unable, my mind has been fluctuating, my mind is disturbed because of your universal form. Many teeth are there, many terrible teeth are there, many mouths, many bellies, many thighs, many arms. After seeing entire world, even demigod got disturbed. So I am also got disturbed. Madhav, please help me to make my mind steady. This is Arjuna asked to Lord Krishna. Oh Lord of Lord, oh Madhav, oh Paramatma, oh Vasudev, oh Krishna. Hey Krishna, Krishna, hey Krishna, Krishna. Oh Madhav, oh Madhusudan, oh Vasudev, oh Krishna. Oh Lord of Lord, oh refugee of the world, oh refugee of entire world. Please be gracious to me. Oh Madhav, Madhusudan, be gracious to me. I cannot keep my balance, seeing thus your blazing death like a faces of full teeth. In all the directions I am bewildered. I am totally bewildered. Madhav, Madhusudan, Krishna, Murari. अभी च त्वा धृतराष्ट्र पुत्रः सर्व सहोति निपाल संजः भीष्मो द्रोण सुत पुत्र कर्णः सहास्मृनि योध मुखः प्रक्तातिं ते त्वर्ण विसन्ति दृष्टा कलानि न भयानकानि क्रेचि दिलंगना दशा न तरेषु सदर्शन्ति चुणोतो मामुतमः. All the son of Dhritarashtra along with their allied king Bhishma, Drona and Karna and also other chief of soldiers also are rushing into your fearful mouth. All the people, even the Dhritarashtra, all the 100 sons, even all the chief soldiers, these all people are running in your mouth. And see, means some icy trap with heads and also smashed between your teeth. यथा नंदीना ब्रहुवाना ब्रगोह समुद्र देवाना विमुखा द्रवंती तथा तवामी नरक लोक विरह विशंति वक्नात्म्य विबंती अभिजान्य लवंती ही. As the many waves of rivers flow into the oceans, so do all this great warrior entering into your mouth. Means great warrior are merging, immersed in your mouth. Madhav, oh Madhusudan, oh Kesava, ओ जनार्दन, ओम केशवा जनार्दना वासुदेवा मधुसूदना मुकुंदा मुरारी हे माधवा मधुसूदना मुरलीधरा हे मुरलीधरा. यथा प्रजंति ज्वलन प्रतग्धा विसंति नसाते समुद्र वेगः तथैव नास्य विसंति लोकः सवापि वक्तृणुन समुद्र वेगः समुद्रम वेगः. Here stated, I see all the people rushing full speed into your mouth as a mouth dash to the destruction in the blazing fire. Here, O Vishnu, I see you devouring all people from all the side with your flaming mouth and covering all the entire universal world with your effulgence. You are the manifest with a terrible source, scorching rays. Scorching means it will definitely, my rays, the radiant which comes out from my body, which burn your body. अखाहि मे नो भवानु गृहरूपो नमस्ततु ते देवधर प्रसिद्ध विजान्तु अच्छामि भवत मात नहि प्रजानमित प्रभुतिम. O Lord of Lord, so fierce of form, please tell me who you are. I offer my obeisance unto you. I offer my obeisances unto you. Please be gracious to me. You are the primal Lord. I want to know about you, Madhav. For that, I don't know what your mission is. Means what is your mission? And I really want to know about you, Madhav. Who you are? Why are you only here? Here. Lord Krishna's missions, Lord Krishna's objective to take a birth on a earth. So here asked about this particular things to Lord Krishna. Here asked by Arjuna, what is your mission? Why are you only here in this particular material world? Here stated, Sri Bhagavan Vacha Kalosmi. Here Krishna Madhav Madhusudan stated, Kalosmi Robert Oppenheimer, who was a founder, who had discovered nuclear bomb, He hydrogen bomb ever. He has discovered nuclear bomb. He stated, he actually he sung this particular verse of Lord Krishna after dropping a bomb in Hiroshima and Nagasaki at the duration of Second World War. Yes, Sri Bhagavan Uvacha Kalosmi lokasya karta pravadoho. Kalosmi lokasya karta pravadoho. Kalosmi lokasya karta pravadoho. लोकान संहृतम ही प्रवतः यति त्वमद भविष्यन्ति सर्वः यह व्यवस्थित प्रतीक्षु योद्धाः यह व्यवस्थित प्रतिनिक्षु योद्धाः. यह stated the supreme personality of Godhead said, time I am. Here Krishna stated, time I am the great destroyer of the world. I am means I have come here to destroy all the people. Here Krishna stated, I am only here to destroy each and every person. I will kill each and every person who are actually together here, who are actually together in order to fight with you. I will kill each and every person except the son of Pandu. The supreme personality Godhead said, time I am, Kalosmi, time I am, which will eat each and everything. Time I am, the great destroyer of the world. The time will destroy entire world. I have come here to destroy all the people with exception of you or Pandavas. All the soldiers here on the both sides will be slain by me. If you don't put on your weapons, if you don't raise your weapons, then I will kill all the people except the son of Pandus. This is what Lord Krishna stated. Kalosmi. Here Krishna stated, time I am. Time is the supreme destructor of entire world. Time will destroy everything. Time will heal everything. So we have to access a time. We have to offer a time to the people in order to forget some incident, in order to forget some kind of things. We have to give a time. So here Krishna stated, time I am. Kalosmi, time I am. Here Vasudeva Krishna, seriously, what I have to say, I don't have any word. Here Krishna stated, Robert Oppenheimer stated, when he dropped a bomb in Hiroshima and Nagasaki cities of Japan, here he stated, Kalosmi lokasya karta pravadoho, Kalosmi lokasya karta pravadoho. लोकान संहृतम इव प्रवतः लोकान संहृतम इतम प्रबुदः एंड रीति ने त्वम भविष्यन्ति सर्व ये व्यवस्थित प्रयुक्तासन योद्धाः. Here time I am, this time is destruction of all things, entire world. I have come here to destroy all the people with exception of you Pandavas. All the soldiers here on both sides will be slain by me. तस्मान वृष्टोटो यशो लभस्य जित्वा शत्रुमस राजस संश्रुतम म्रयो व्रते निहता पूर्वमेव नृमति मात्र न भवत सर्व साचिनः. Therefore get up, prepare to fight and win glory, conquer your enemy and enjoy a flourishing kingdom. Then they are here to put to death by my arrangement, and you Sayavasi can be but an instrument into the fire. You have instrument in a fight. द्रोण च भीष्म च जयद्रथ च कर्ण तस्यानि योद्ध वीरानः महत हत्वा स जाहि मा व्यवस्थितः युद्धं जेतासि रण संपन्नवम संपातनम युद्धम युद्धस्व. Here Krishna stated युद्धस्व जेतासि रणे Sampatanam, Rane Sampatanam. Here Krishna further stated, oh Drauna, Bhishma and Jayadratha, Karna and also other great warriors have already been destroyed by me. Therefore kill them and don't be disturbed. Simply fight and you will vanish your enemy in the battle. Sanjay Uvacha. After listening of these all things, Sanjay Uvacha. Itvaksu vachana kesavasya krutani vilapana kirati namaskaram krutava bruya ivahma krishna sarvadadra biti pranama sarvadada biti pranam. After listening of entire narration of Lord Krishna's universal form Vishwarupa Darshanam, here Sanjay stated, my heart has filled with compassion There is a means I'm crying. I don't have any words. Lord Krishna expressed, Kalosmi Lokasya. Kalosmi, I am the time, the supreme destroyer of this entire world. I am the time. O king, after hearing this word from the supreme personality of Godhead, trembling Arjuna's offered obeisance with a folded hand. He Madhava Madhusudana Muralidhara, He Muralidhara Dhara Dhara Madhusudana Muralidhara, He Muralidhara. ओ मेरो राधा रमण गिरधारी श्याम बनवारी ओ मेरो राधा रमण गिरधारी गोविंद मेरो है गोपाल मेरो है श्री बांके बिहारी नंदलाल मेरो है गोविंद मेरो है गोपाल मेरो है Here Arjun uvacha स्थानेन ऋषिकेश तव प्रकृत्याः जगत्पते हन्तुनु प्रंच राक्षसी भितानि दृश्यो द्रवन्ति सर्व नमस्यसि ची सिद्धम सग्नः. Here Arjun said, O master of the senses, the world becomes joyful upon hearing your name. Thus everything becomes attached to you. Hey Madhav, hey Madhusudan, hey Krishna, hey Madhav, Mukunda. Hey Kesava, hey Kesav, hey Govind, hey Govind. Everyone becomes attached to you, Madhav. Although the perfected beings offer you their respectful homage, the demons are afraid from your universal form and flee here and there. And all this is rightly done by you, Madhav. Hey Madhav. Hey Madhav, hey Madhusudan, hey Murari, hey Krishna, hey गोविंद. आपके सिवा कौन है मेरा इस दुनिया में? हे गोविंद. आपके सिवा कोई नहीं है. कृष्ण है वासुदेव. आपसे जितना प्यार किया है ना, मैं तो अपनी ड्यूटी कर. आई एम ओनली परफॉर्मिंग माई प्रिस्क्राइब्ड ड्यूटी वासुदेव टूवर्ड माई इंडिया, टूवर्ड माई सोसाइटी, टूवर्ड माई पीपल. Whatever you have instructed me, I am only following your instruction. Like Nashtamo Smuti Labdha Tat Prasadam Krishna Sthita Samgata Sandeha Karishya Vachanam Tava. Hey Vasudev, hey Govind, I am only follower of you, Vasudev. Whatever illusion raised in my mind has been gone because of your mercy. Vasudev, it's because of your mercy. Otherwise, I am unable to dissipate all the delusion from my heart. Hey Vasudev, please accept me as your devotee. Please, I am trying to become your devotee. Please accept me, Vasudev. I am trying to be your devotee, Vasudev. I am only working. I am only following your supreme instruction. You have stated me I have to work for Hindu-Muslim unity. So I am preaching of Quran Sharif and Srimad Bhagavad Gita, the Holy Bible, the Giant Avesta, Guru Granth Sahib, and also other religious book in order to strengthen the unity, religious unity. I don't want to forget the people. I don't want to separate the people on the name of the religion, because religion will never separate anybody. So I am only following your supreme instruction, your order, Madhav. Arjuna further stated, Kasmana te namret atmana gariyasye brahmano advatpak kinah ananta devasya jaga nivasah tatmaksara sad tatpara yatah. O great one, great even than Brahmana, you are the original creator. Hey Madhav, you are the supreme creator. You are nurturing this entire world. You are the source of entire work and sustain. Because of your source, you are the source. an entire world has sustained. And God of God, refugee of the universe, entire universe, you are the invincible source, cause of all causes, transcendental to the material manifestation. तस्माननि देव पुरुष पुराणम स्तोत्रमस्य विश्वस्य पर निदाननम वेतांसी वेद पर परम च धामः त्यक्ता त विश्व मन रूपः. You are the original personality God had, the oldest and ultimate century of this manifestation cosmic world. You are the knower of everything. है वासुदेव, आप तो सब जानते हो ना, मेरे से जो भी गलती हुई है, पाप हुआ है, आप तो सब जानते हो. मैं माफी मांगता हूँ कृष्णा वासुदेव आपसे, मेरे से जो भी पाप हुआ है, जो भी गलती हुई है, आपकी शरण में आ रहा है. टोटली सरेंडर टू माधव. प्लीज फॉरगिव my all the sinful activities, whether knowingly or unknowingly, whether intentionally or unintentionally I have performed. Please forgive my all the sinful activities, Madhav Madhusudan. I am trying to be your devotee, Madhav. Hey Krishna, hey Govind. Please forgive my all sinful activities, Madhav. You are the supreme refuge, Madhav. If you are supreme refuge, then please take me under your aegis, under your refuge, Madhav. Above the material modes and all limitless form of your entire universal manifestation, cosmic manifestation, Madhav. Please take me under your refuge. वायुर्मेनः ग्रीवः गुरु शशांकः प्रजापति तस्य प्रपति हास्म महेश्वर. नमो नमस्तेस्तु सहस्त्रकृत्वः पुरस्त भ्रूये नमो नमस्तते. Here Arjun offered to Lord Krishna नमो नमस्तते. ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय. ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय. ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय. नमः पुरंतास्य पृथस्ततस्य नमोस्तुते सर्वत्र इव सर्वः अनंत वीर्यम विक्रमतमस्त्व सर्व समाप्रतो ततो सपि सर्वः. Here stated obeisance to you from the front. I bow my head at a billion times before you, Vasudev Madhusudan, from behind and from all sides. Oh, unbounded power, you are the master of all limitless might, and you are all pervading, and thus you are the everything. Hey, Madhav Madhusudan, you are everything. You are the supreme personality of Godhead. You are everything. पितास्य लोकस्य चराचरस्य. पितास्य लोकस्य. हे माधव, हे मधुसूदन, पितास्य लोकस्य चराचरस्य तस्म पुनः पुरुषनिस्य गुरो गरियाः तस्मात् लोकस्य अधिक्तुष्टे कृत्य अनपि लोक यत्र प्रति प्रभावः. You are the father of this complete entire cosmic manifestation of the moving and non-moving. Both things are situated unto you. You are the worshipable chiefs and the supreme spiritual master. No one is equal to you, Vasudev. Krishna, no one is equal to you. No one can compare to you, and nor can anyone be one with you. How then could there be anyone greater than you within the three worlds? No one can associate with you without your supreme manifestation. तस्माद् प्रणीयधाय कार्य प्रसाद्य तवस्य मिशस्य प्रीत्यत्व पृथस्य सर्वस्य सुखस्य प्रिय प्रियासी देव सोहम. Here you are the supreme Lord, to be worshipable by every living being. Thus I fall down to offer my respectful obeisance and ask your mercy. As a father tolerable impudence to his son, and the friends to the impenitences of a friend, or husbands and familiarity of his wife, please tolerate the wrongs I have made done with you. Please forgive my all the wrongful deed. This is stated by Arjuna. Whatever I have, whether knowingly or unknowingly, whatever I have performed, please forgive my all the sinful activities. This is what Arjuna stated. So this is, I have completed entire 11th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. I hope you all can understand. If you are having any questions, any doubt, then please kindly put a comment. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna. Radhe Radhe.